If your front yard feels cluttered, unfinished, or like it needs more and more plants to look good, the answer might not be more plants at all. Sometimes one well-chosen statement tree can do more for curb appeal than an entire bed full of random flowers. In this video, I am walking through how to choose one statement tree that gives your front yard structure, beauty, and a more polished look without creating years of extra maintenance. The biggest mistake I see homeowners make is walking into a nursery and buying a tree simply because it looks pretty in a plastic pot. Before spending any money, you need to decide what job that tree must perform for your home. Ask yourself if your front yard needs vertical structure, a burst of seasonal color, cooling shade, privacy from neighbors, or a striking focal point. Your statement tree must solve a real architectural problem rather than simply filling empty space. Perhaps it needs to frame your front door, soften a stark, bare corner of the house, block an unsightly view from the road, or anchor an existing garden bed. When you assign your tree a clear job before you shop, the selection process becomes much easier. The final look feels entirely intentional, transforming your front yard into a polished, welcoming space that looks high-end without costing a fortune. A tree that looks perfectly proportioned in a nursery pot can easily swallow your entire home in 10 years. The key is matching the mature scale of the tree to the architectural lines of your house. A tiny tree completely disappears against a large two-story facade, while an oversized giant will crowd your roofline, block your windows, and dwarf your entryway. Before buying, ignore the current size in the pot and read the nursery tag for the ultimate mature height and width. Mentally map those numbers against your eaves and front porch. This is exactly how one homeowner rescued a cluttered bungalow. By removing 5 messy flower beds and planting a single dwarf Regent serviceberry, they used its 25-foot mature height to frame the low roofline instead of smothering it. The right scale keeps your front yard balanced, low maintenance, and beautifully polished. The secret to a front yard that looks expensive is choosing a tree based on its silhouette, not its flowers. Once you know the right size, you have to read the crown shape like a piece of architecture. A tall, columnar tree acts like a green pillar, drawing the eye upward on narrow lots where space is tight. If your yard feels a bit flat and stark, a rounded canopy softens those sharp edges like a comfortable cushion on a bare lawn. For walkways and entryways, a vase-shaped form flares out gracefully, welcoming guests toward your front door. While weeping-style trees add subtle drama, they need proper breathing room to look intentional rather than overgrown. Always judge the mature outline of the tree, not just its current leaves. Finding the right shape makes your entire front yard feel designed and complete, without adding a single extra plant to your weekend chore list. Before you fall in love with a tree at the nursery, you have to ask yourself what it looks like in the dead of winter. A true statement tree must earn its keep across the entire calendar, not just during one brief week in spring. If you live in zones 5 through 8, a serviceberry brings delicate white blooms in spring, sweet summer berries, and brilliant fiery foliage in autumn. For gorgeous summer foliage, a Shana Japanese maple offers rich red leaves where the climate is mild, while dogwoods and redbuds provide stunning color if they have the acidic, well-drained soil they crave. If you swap a massive, sidewalk-lifting maple for one of these compact beauties, a tiny window of autumn cleanup is a small price to pay for year-round architectural interest. In cold regions, adding a small evergreen like a dwarf Alberta spruce prevents your entryway from going completely flat in January. Always verify your local climate and hardiness zone to find the perfect four-season performer. That gorgeous new tree will quickly turn into an $8,000 nightmare if you plant it too close to your sidewalk. While we often focus on the branches, a tree's root system expands horizontally up to twice the width of its canopy. In Chicago, one homeowner planted a lovely redbud just 6 feet from their walkway, only to face an $8,000 bill when the roots lifted the concrete. To avoid this, use a simple rule of thumb. Measure the tree's mature canopy radius and plant it that same distance plus an extra 3 feet away from any structures or pavement. For most small ornamental trees, aim for at least 8 to 10 feet of clearance. Most importantly, call your local utility locating service, like 811, at least 2 business days before you dig. It is a free step that protects your underground lines, your hardscape, and your home budget. If you do not want to spend your autumn weekends sweeping up sticky berries and heavy seed pods, it is time for a quick maintenance reality check. We often buy trees based on a picture-perfect fantasy, but every tree comes with a real-world chore list. Some drop messy fruit, sap, or brittle twigs right onto your clean driveway, while others demand regular pruning to keep their elegant architectural shape. There is no shame in wanting a lazy yard. It is just about being honest with your schedule. When you visit your local nursery, treat the staff as your ultimate partners in low-maintenance yard design. Ask them what the tree drops, how often you will truly need to prune it, and if there are any aggressive local pests or diseases you will have to battle. A tree that demands more work than you can give will quickly look neglected, dragging down your curb appeal. Choosing a beautiful, low-burden variety ensures your front yard looks expensive and effortlessly manicured, giving you a gorgeous view with absolutely zero weekend guilt. To make your new statement tree look like a professional designer put it there, you have to stop planting it directly in the lawn. A tree floating alone in the grass looks accidental and stranded. A simple 2-foot wide organic mulch bed solves this by creating a clean visual anchor. By slicing a sharp, defined edge into the turf, you immediately make your entire yard feel finished and expensive. Keep the underplanting incredibly simple. Use just one repeating low ground cover, like creeping thyme, to tie the trunk to the ground. Resist the urge to pack this bed with dozens of colorful competing flowers. The goal is a clean frame that lets your statement tree remain the undisputed star of the show. The secret to a front yard that looks incredibly expensive is actually doing less, not more. Once you plant your perfect statement tree, it acts as the primary centerpiece, which means the rest of your yard can finally take a deep breath. Cluttering the grass with endless tiny flower beds or too many different shrub varieties only creates visual noise. Instead, lean into the design power of negative space. Frame your tree with clean, open turf and repeat just 2 or 3 low-maintenance plants nearby to create a peaceful, rhythmic border. This editing process separates chaotic, high-maintenance yards from beautifully designed, high-end homes. Restraint serves as the ultimate design upgrade, turning a busy yard into a peaceful retreat. If you want to make your home the most welcoming on the block, subscribe for more practical yard glow-ups. Your perfect statement tree is a living investment that elevates your entire home. Just remember to check your local climate zone and call utility services before you dig. Once it's in the ground, you'll have a low-maintenance glow-up that lasts for decades. Subscribe for more practical curb appeal guides.